Hey everybody, I'm Sally and welcome to our headquarters in Castle Rock, Colorado. This terrific space was space that I had a few years ago when I started a lot of the Bionic projects. Then we went and did some different things for a while. We've been back in Colorado for a while, and then when we found out this place was open in November of 18, we jumped on it. When we were here before, this whole back space back here was all full of zippers. Now my son and his wife run that side of the business, and I'm here just to be able to focus on SewLikeARockstar.com, our videos, our people, our community, all the fun things we do, the retreats. We're headed to Florida tomorrow. And when we're doing all of this, we really have enjoyed this time around because we've done something special. We've opened it up to everybody that's become a part of our tribe and supported us. We have a thing called Juju Bunting. When you see the next camera view, you're going to see even more of it. But these have come in from all around the world, and it's from our followers and people that have been supportive of us as we've been through everything in the last few years. I can't tell you what a joy it is to work in this space and walk in this room and have all of these wonderful tokens of love and appreciation and support hanging in this room that makes it part of all of us. So if you're ever in Colorado, be sure and stop in. Get a hold of us, and we'll try to meet up with you so that you can come here and see this too. It's really fantastic. Okay, so today, the most important thing today is that we're going to compare the Mother Lode, the Bonza, the original Bionic Gear Bag, as well as the Baby. I've got all four of them laid out here on the table, and this way you can see the differences. There have been a lot of people asking, so we thought we'd do this quick video and do this thing. So let's get down to the table here. I've got a different camera I'll switch to, and then you'll be able to see all of them together. Pretty cool, huh? So let's take a peek. Okay, so here's the Mother Lode. This is the Bonza, and then over here we have the original Bionic Gear Bag. So let's start over here quick and do the Mother Lode. The Mother Lode has got 7 dividers in it. You're able to choose whether you'd like to do dividers or zipper pockets, and really you can do that with any of the bags, but we started introducing the divider concept when we came out with the Mother Lode. Mother Lode sits wider and taller than the other bags. And this one is terrific for holding lots of gear when you go to retreats or maybe other outings with your family. It's a great size bag for a lot of purposes. For me though, to be honest with you, I prefer the other 2 bags to sit next to me when I'm sewing. I like the size a little better, but this is still a great bag. So let's go over here then and talk about the original Bionic Gear Bag. The original Bionic Gear Bag came out in 2014. And it was out all by itself from about April until, October. And then in October, we came out with a little dish that fits inside it, as well as the needle wallet. So the needle wallet holds about 10 packs of needles, and it also has a place to hold your extra spare needles that are in your machines, or if you take one out, you can put it in here and park it in here. And you know it's a used needle, but it's still good to use again. It helps you organize all that. I love this for taking to retreats and things because I have a pack of each of my favorite needles here ready to go. So the needle wallet came out. It does fit if you put it in the center of the Bionic Gear Bag before you roll it up, but it sits a little high. So this was one of the main reasons we decided to come out with Bonza. Bonza, by the way, was named by one of our Aussie friends, and she says Bonza is like, fantastic. So it's kind of cool. She's the one who named it. So here's Bonza. Bonza has metal frames. The rods support the front, the back, and 3 of the pockets inside. And just like Mother Lode, you can also choose whether you want zipper pockets or whether you just want dividers. But the cool thing about Bonza is the shape is so steady and reinforced, and it's always perfect. So when you roll this thing up, and zip it up, and then you open it up again, it always pops back to a perfect shape. We love it for that. So let's do a little bit more of a close-up so that you can see this. So here's Bonza. Again, the metal frame in front, in the back, and then you can choose which you'd like to have as zipper pockets and which ones you'd like to have as dividers. But look at how nice and straight and pretty it is. It folds up nice, and it deploys beautifully every time. So the rods really make it. So we hope you like this one. This one is going to be our big deal for 2019 because this is what everybody's wanted. Oh, the one thing I'll show you is here's the needle wallet, and you can see it fits perfectly in there. And here's another scrap bin accessory that was shown on the front of the Bionic Gear Bag at the beginning of this video. And they both fit perfect in here, and with lots of space to spare for all your other needs that you take to a retreat or a sewing class. So let's show you that baby. I promised you the baby. Okay, so here's the baby. This one was created in November of 15. My girlfriend Sandy and I were here one night. This was back when we had the studio before. And we were here one night and decided to make this cute little thing as a fun little add-on so people would have a gifty thing for Christmas that year. And it's been pretty popular. I originally did it so that we could put crayons in it for the little kids. These are those twist-up ones, so you don't even have to sharpen them. They fit in here. And you could put 3x5 cards in here, or a little notebook. And there's one zipper pocket, so if there's something precious you don't want to lose, you can zip it up in here. Now this size bag also works perfect for 2 decks of playing cards and a small notebook and a pen for your card playing friends. It's a real neat gift. You know, you could get some appropriate fabric, and it's a really cute thing to do that way. Another thing is it is the right size for 3x5 cards. We've had some people give away recipes like this, RVing recipes, cookout recipes, but it's something where they can take it with them. Isn't this cute? So this is the baby. So we hope you like it. It's also been used for things like diabetic testing supplies, first aid kits, and a little mini office for in your car. You can get a roll of Scotch tape and some pens, that type of thing, a little pair of scissors. So it's a handy little thing to have in the car too. So there you have it. There's the whole lineup of all of our Bionics, and we hope you enjoy it. We hope you get on Mighty Networks. Look at mightynetworks.com, find our Sew Like a Rockstar network. We have all of our news, coupon codes, updates, notifications. It's a wonderful place, and you'll be able to find out the details on all of these. We have a great community, pretty proud of them, and you'll really enjoy meeting them if you go over to Mighty Networks. And as usual, over on sewlikearockstar.com, please check out our memberships, check out the individual workshops, and we hope that you find something that will really help you enjoy your sewing time, and we're going to make you great sewers. If you're brand new to the sewing world, we're going to walk you through these step by step, seam by seam, and even a brand new sewing person can knock this out and have a really quality product at the end of it all to be very proud of. We take pride in that too. We want you to have fun, and we want you to be proud of your finished goods. So we love having you here. Thanks so much for being part of the Sew Like a Rockstar tribe, and we'll see you over on our website and over in Mighty Networks. Take care.